Coming up, I'm going to be talking you through a huge summer haul, so keep watching to find out what I got. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel all about Aoife. I'm Aoife and today I'm going to be talking you through a huge summer haul. I am going away tomorrow and I picked up a last few bits when I went shopping. I wanted to talk you through exactly what I got. I got kind of holiday essentials, some really fun stuff from a few different places. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you're not new, then welcome back and let's get started. Okay, so first up, I'm going to dig my hand in the bag and see what pops out first. Oh, this is one of my faves. I got this in Bershaka. It's a bodysuit and it has like that chevron print on the front. It's got red and white stripe. Red and black stripe. Gone a bit colorblind there. And it's a white bodysuit all over, so you can see the end of it there is a bodysuit. It's just plain white at the back and it has the stripe on the front. It has kind of like a low V, but it's not too low. It's a nice kind of nighttime look. And this was only $12.99. I got it in a size small. I did try on the extra small, I think, but it was way too small. Or maybe it was the medium I tried on, I can't remember. But anyway, I thought this was a really nice fit and a small is perfect for me in Bershaka, as I just discovered. Haven't been in Bershaka in absolutely years. And I discovered that actually their stuff is really nice. They've got kind of nice youthful stuff. I wasn't really a fan of it years ago when I used to shop there. But now I'm just like, I need to go back there because they're really reasonably priced as well, kind of like Primark prices. I really didn't think that that was going to be like $12.99. Okay, the next item, I just remembered I'm actually wearing it, so I'll come a little bit closer to you guys. So this is a little choker from Primark. It was only €4. So you've got like how many different layers? Like 3 different layers of these kind of like little ones with dangly things. Then you've kind of got a plain one here with little kind of beading on it. And yeah, this was only €4 for the little set, so I thought that was really good value, and it was a perfect little holiday thing because of course layering jewellery and gold is kind of like a big trend at the moment. So I thought I wanted to get something that I didn't have to keep layering up my own jewellery, because I do that a lot as well. I do layer up my own ones, but I thought this would be nice to kind of just throw on. You don't have to worry about them getting tangled or anything. Just one little clip at the back and they're all done. So that was Primark. Amazing. What else? Oh, I also picked this up in Primark. I think it's really cute. This is going to be an airport outfit for me, I think. I got it in a size 10. It is a little bit big. I would have preferred a size 8, but they were all sold out of the 8. And also I rang around a few different Primarks in Dublin to find out if they had it in my size, and they don't. So it's obviously quite popular. So it's this little slip dress. So it's kind of like a mini. It's not too long, and it has like these little covered buttons all the way down the front. Really cute. Then you've got these spaghetti straps. And I just thought this was really nice. I don't normally wear blue, but sometimes I think it can be nice to just change it up and wear something that you wouldn't normally wear. It's nice and light as well, so this is going to be perfect for getting like onto the plane, like in the airport, from the hotel to the taxi. If it's still really warm, it's going to be nice and cool on me. And this was only €12. So €12 for this, $12.99 for that. Not bad prices at all. And as I said, when you compare Primark and Bershaka, it's very similar. I was really surprised with that. So that's the second item. No, that's the third. I forgot about this. That's the third item. Oh, keeping with a blue theme. I'm blue. So this is a gorgeous blue bikini, and I absolutely loved it because it has this ribbed effect all over. You've got the kind of like eyelet, would you say? Not even the little silver things there which attach the straps to the main part of the bikini. Obviously not very good with my words today, but I thought it was much more expensive feel. I am actually after ripping off the tags because I did start to pack my suitcase before I filmed this, and then I was like, whoopsie, I'm gonna have to get these back out for filming. I think this was like €7, and then the bottom's maybe like €6 or something like that. So altogether not too bad, around that same price. €12 or something like that for the whole bikini. Love the bottoms as well. You've got the little silver rings there as well on the bottoms. So you'd see something like this in like Zara or even online for a lot more expensive, and I just thought Primark was brilliant that they had this. I think it was really nice. I think they have it in black as well. So I have a lot of black bikinis though, so I wanted to get something fun and colourful, and as I said, step outside my comfort zone, wear something blue. So I absolutely love that. I'm really glad I picked this up. And what else? Oh, I also have kind of like another airport dress, so I'm feeling like I might wear this in Ireland to the airport to go to Portugal. So I'm not sure, but I think so. So it's very like Kardashian-esque. It's kind of like a sporty just t-shirt dress, you could say, except it's got that it's got a white stripe down the side, so kind of draws the eye down your body, makes you look a little bit skinnier. And then you've got the black panel in the middle, obviously the white down the side. It's kind of like a midi length as well, which I really like. I think it's nice to have a mid length as well. And this is from Bershaka, sorry I should say, and this was only $12.99. I did get that in a size small as well. I did try on the extra small. That was what I tried on the extra small in, and it was like, so I was like, no, 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 I just need the small. So I really, really like this. So maybe I'm going to pair this with some gold jewellery and maybe gold sandals, something like that. And I think that's going to be really nice, comfortable. It's stretchy, perfect for the plane, perfect for if you eat too much or drink too much on the plane. It's expandable, exactly what you want. Another item, oh, I'll actually show you some of the little kind of cosmetics that I got, because these are also really important for your summer haul or your holidays. It's nice to just update your wardrobe, but also your little makeup wardrobe. So, and it's nice to just treat yourself to something new. So this is an Essence, oh, there's a fly. There's a fly, it's summer. It's officially summer when there's flies in the room. So this is Essence Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss. I got it in kind of like a neutrally nude colour, something that would match a lot of my actual lipsticks as well. So I like to just put a little bit in the very centre of my lip, and it creates kind of like a fuller lip. So I got this because, you know what, you need a little bit of lip gloss in your life. Nice shiny dewy skin, glossy lips. It's going to be fab for holidays. Another item, is this what I picked up? Oh yeah, it's opened. I opened it, that's why it looks so weird. A red lip liner, because I feel like I'm going to be wearing a red lip, and it's really good to have one. This was only like $1.90. It's from Essence, so an absolute bargain there from Essence. Love that. I love Catrice, love Essence. They're so cheap. So both of them are actually from Essence. Then I also got these wispy lashes from Primark. They were only $1.50, can you believe? I know, like so cheap. You can literally get like 5 of these for €6 or something like this. But I just wanted these wispies because I tried them on before and I really, really liked them. So I thought they'd be great because it's kind of like a girls' weekend, and I thought going all out, and the wispy lashes are going to be fab. Another thing I picked up to get me summer ready is this Dove Derma Spa Summer Revived Body Lotion with self-tanners for a natural bronze glow, medium to dark. There's literally no point in getting the light to medium. It's like way too light. Well, unless you have really, really pale skin, I suppose. Well, I'm quite pale. Look at me. I'm quite pale. So this is a nice medium to dark. It's a nice build up. So I've been putting this on for like the last 3 days. So hopefully I will be summer ready by tomorrow and a nice tan will pop up. I absolutely love this. They put it in a new bottle. I've been using it for years and I cannot fault it. So another little item that I picked up that I thought would be really nice for my toes and my fingernails, I couldn't think of the word right there, is this Catrice. It's a rose gold metallic nail varnish. So I'm going to be popping this on maybe in the morning. I'm going to do my toes tonight and get all prepared. So absolutely love this. It came out really strong. I tried a little bit on my thumb. Came out really like deep and strong, and it looked like I only needed like 2 more layers. The name of the colour is actually Let's Get Ready for Bronze. That is like the official holiday saying, I feel. Get bronzed, get brown in the sun. Here we go. So I can't wait to put this on and feel all glam and everything. Okay, there is another cosmetic, but I'll leave that for a moment and move on to another item. Wait till you see this. Oh, this is so much fun. It's a swimsuit, and it's like a candy stripe colour swimsuit. I love the colours. So you've got all the different colours. The rainbow there, green, yellow, red, pink. Really, really cute. And guess how much this was, guys. I got this in a size 12 because I have quite a long body, and I feel like if you're going to wear a swimsuit and you're quite tall, you need like to size up, because it's just going to be like, I tried on a swimsuit in Pennies and it was a size 8, and literally the top of the arms on the swimming suit came to literally under my armpits. Like that's as far as I could get it. So a size 12 is definitely needed, and this was only, wait for it, €6. So I was like, even if I only wear it once and then want to throw it away, it's an absolute bargain from Primark for €6. Love that. Love the colours. Look how much fun it looks. Like summer's already here. Wait, summer is here, but I mean holidays are already here in my room. So that is fabulous. And then another item, you already seen it, but I'll just talk you through these really quickly. So I tried out those Spotlight teeth whitening strips. So they give you this little pouch. I've actually thrown out the little actual cardboard thing that it comes in, because I thought this was just a lot easier. So you wear one of these for an hour a day for 14 days in a row. I was actually really bold. I did try out one and then I left it for a couple of days, but I'm going to go back on it now because I'm going away. So I'm going to bring some on my holidays. So it's really great because they're really tiny. They can fit in anywhere. And when I tried out the first one, it really worked for me. These are like €40 in Boots. Well worth it. I've seen lots of people using these and they've had great results. So I definitely recommend that. But if you have sensitive teeth, maybe not. But anyway, moving on. So I'm going to have beautiful teeth, really bronze. I'm going to have nice glittery nails. I'm going to have big eyelashes, glossy lips. I'm going to be all ready for summer 2018. And the last item is from Primark, and it's this really, really cute crop top. It actually has glitter, like in the stripe. I don't know if you can see it there. It has a silver glitter, and then you've got like black, yellow, pink, and then kind of like an aquamarine colour. Really, really cute. And then it's actually kind of cropped in at the centre there. It's not a tie, but it's kind of like all bunched up. So I really, really like that. I got this in a size 10. It was only €8, so another bargain there. I'm going to pop this in my case, and maybe I might want to change my airport outfit if it's a bit chillier, or if it's a bit cooler over there, because there is supposed to be thunderstorms at the moment. I know. So hopefully I'll get into the bikini, but if not, I'll have a t-shirt on standby that's a little bit warmer, because it does feel quite heavy. It actually feels like, it does feel quite like expensive for pennies. So I think that's it as far as I know. Yeah, that's all my little toiletries and bits. So I think I did really, really well. I got so much stuff. I got like swimsuits, my voice is certainly weird, swimsuits, bikinis, dresses, tops, and some really cool like cosmetics as well that are going to have me looking summer ready. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this vlog. If you have, please do let me know by giving me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment below as well and let me know that you like this video so I can keep making more videos like this. And I'll see you again real soon, guys. I hope you have a great summer holiday if you're going on one soon. If not, you can go shopping and just spoil yourself with some fab summer bits. And I'll see you again real soon, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.